Have you ever wondered if the red you see is the same as the red someone else sees? We all agree on what's red: stop signs, strawberries, fire trucks. But the actual sensation in your mind could be unique. Here's the twist: color doesn't exist out there in the world. A banana isn't yellow, the sky isn't blue. Objects just reflect certain wavelengths of light. Light itself is colorless. It's just energy, electromagnetic waves. Your brain takes this invisible energy and creates a vivid, private world of color. Our eyes are tuned to a tiny slice of the electromagnetic spectrum, visible light. Just below is infrared. Just above is ultraviolet, but our brains ignore those. The universe is colorless. Our minds are the artists. So, if we all have similar eyes and brains, shouldn't we see the same colors? Not necessarily. The machinery is similar, but the experience, the conscious sensation, is locked inside your head. We can agree on the word red, but we can never compare the actual experience. Each of us lives in a private rainbow, a universe of color that might be subtly or profoundly different from everyone else's. This isn't just a fun thought experiment, it's a clue to one of the deepest mysteries of consciousness. The world of color is a story your brain tells you, a personal masterpiece, and that simple realization changes everything. The journey to understand color is really a journey to understand ourselves. Welcome to your own universe of private rainbows. Let's follow a photon's journey from the sun to your eye. It travels millions of miles, bounces off a leaf, and enters your eye. The leaf absorbs some wavelengths and reflects others, the ones we call green. But the photon itself has no color, it's just energy. Your retina, lined with millions of rods and cones, receives it. 3 types of cones, S, M, and L, respond to blue, green, and red wavelengths. When the green photon hits, your M cones fire. But there's no green wire, just electrical signals sent to your brain. Your brain compares the signals from all 3 cone types, decoding the ratios. In the visual cortex, this data is transformed into the experience of green. Color is a mental construction, a simulation running in your head. The world you see is built from electrical sparks in the dark. The grand illusion of color is your brain's masterpiece. Science can explain how we see color. Photons, cones, brain signals. But there's a part it can't touch: the private, subjective feeling of color. Philosophers call these qualia, the raw sensations of experience. I can tell you red's wavelength, show you a brain scan, but I can't know what red feels like to you. That inner experience is your quail of red, yours alone. This is the hard problem of consciousness. Why does brain activity feel like anything at all? Science can describe the functions but not the feeling. Qualia are the ghost in the machine. Private, incommunicable, and real. No third-person account can capture what it's like to be you. Your perception of color is a personal truth forever out of reach to others. You are the only audience for your movie of life, and qualia are the sights and sounds that make it real. To grasp qualia's mystery, imagine the inverted spectrum. Suppose Jane's color world is flipped. Her red is your green, but she calls it red and acts like you. She stops at red lights, picks red roses, but her inner experience is different. There's no test, no question that could reveal this. Her behavior and brain activity match yours, but her qualia might be the opposite. The inverted spectrum shows the gap between physical facts and inner experience. 2 people can be identical on the outside, but worlds apart inside. Neuroscience can map brain activity, but it can't reveal what it feels like to see red. The subjective nature of experience may always remain private. The inverted spectrum isn't just a thought experiment, it exposes the limits of science. Our inner lives are fundamentally private, perhaps forever. No matter how advanced our tools, qualia may remain a secret. Each of us keeps our own color world locked away, and that's the heart of the mystery. Now add language to the mix. The words we use for colors don't just describe our world. They shape it. This is linguistic relativity. Language influences perception. Some cultures use one word for blue and green, making the boundary between them fuzzier. Others, like Russian, have separate words for light and dark blue, making those distinctions sharper. Studies show language can train our brains to notice or ignore certain color differences. Our experience of color isn't just biology, it's filtered through culture and words. The categories we learn as children become mental buckets for perception. The world doesn't come with labels, we apply them. In doing so, we subtly alter reality itself. Your personal rainbow is painted by both biology and language. The way you see color is shaped by the words your culture gave you. Language doesn't just reflect reality, it helps create it. To see how subjective color is, look beyond humans. Most mammals, like dogs, are dichromats. They see only 2 colors. Their world is painted in dull blues and yellows. Birds and bees are tetrachromats, seeing ultraviolet patterns invisible to us. Flowers that look plain to us are dazzling to a bee. The mantis shrimp has up to 16 color receptors. Its world is unimaginably rich. These creatures remind us, our color vision isn't the true reality, just one version. Reality is a collaboration between the universe and our biology, filtered by culture and language. There's no single objective visual world, just many private rainbows. This realization is humbling and liberating. We may literally not see the same world as others. The next time you see a sunset, remember, you're seeing the universe through the unique lens of you. And that's a cosmic thought. Stay chill, stay sharp, stay lazy, and thanks for watching.